Hello students, this is the Grammar Gate or the English Grammar Book of Class 1. Today we are going to learn our first chapter, that is the alphabet. Okay, before we start the chapter, let me ask you that what is alphabet? Alphabet is a set of 26 letters which is used to represent the basic set of speech sounds or making words. Okay, alphabets are of two forms. First, capital form, and second one is a small form. Now, look at here. Here are set of small letters, but some are given and some are missing. So you have to write only missing letters. Look at here. Fill in the boxes with the missing letters. That means you have to write only the missing letters. Look at here. First word is given, that is A. Okay. So in the next box, you have to write B as usual. Okay. Look at here. You have to write B, small b out here. Okay. So similar way, you have to fill all the boxes and complete the set of alphabet. Right? Okay. After you complete it, look at the bottom of the page. Now, count all the letters in the boxes above and write the numbers in the blank below. That means you have to count all the letters, okay? After you completed your set, you have to count all the letters. Like, count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. That means how many letters do we have? 26 letters, right? So you have to write 26 out here. There are 2, 6, 26. You have to write 2, 6, 26 out here. Okay? You have to write 2, 6, 26 letters in the English alphabet, right? So, move on to next. Here are some alphabets which is in which is in capital form as well as in a small form. You just have to read it out and learn it by heart, okay? Now move on to next page. Look at here. Write in capital letters. One has been done for you, okay? Here are some small letters, okay? You just have to write the capital form of that small letter. Look, one is already done. Small f is there and capital F is already written, okay? And next one is small m. So you just have to write capital M of that small form A, okay? Look at here. You have to write capital M. Right? So in this way, you have to write all the letters. That means you have to fill all the capital forms. Okay. Now section B, that is write in small letters. One has been done for you. Look at here. Here some capital letters are given. You just have to write the small form of that capital letters. Okay. So G is first G is in capital form and small g was already written. So similar way you have to write when here capital C is given. So you just have to write the small c out here. Okay. Look at here. You have to write only small c out here. Right. So this is the way how you have to fill all the blanks. Okay. Now move on to C. Look at here. Look at the picture below and circle the object that begins with the given letter. One has been done for you. Okay. Here in the column A you see the letters, okay, and in the column B you will see the pictures. Okay. You just have to select the pictures which start with the letter which is given in the series, right? So look at here. First word is B, okay, and B for ball. So we made a circle on ball, right? So move on to next, that is A. So A for axe. So you have to make a circle out here. Okay, similar way you have to do all the exercises like C for car, P for parrot, H for hat, and so on. Okay. Now move on to next, that is D. Look at the picture and name the animals, then write the first letter of the name of each animal. One has been done for you. That means here are some pictures, okay? You just have to write the name of that picture. But spellings are already given, only the first letter are missing. That letters you have to write it, okay? But please write in a capital form. One is done for you, like F is already written for the fish. Okay, so next word, next picture is your hers, so you just have to write H. Okay, look at here, this is the way how you have to write. Okay, so look at here, H. Okay, HORSE, hers. That means this picture is a picture of hers. That means you have to write capital H. This is the way how you have to fill all the blanks, like frog, mouse, monkey, dog, cat. Okay, so now move on to next. Okay, vowels and consonant. Before we start, let me tell you that what is vowel. Okay, the English alphabet has 26 letters, but there are 5 special letters which is called vowel, such as A, E, I, O, U. Okay, you can see the picture, like you can see here, look on the caterpillars. Okay, A, E, I, O, U, these are the vowel words, right? So as we know that there are 26 letters in a set of alphabet, so 5 are special vowels, then the remaining 21 letters were known as consonant, right? You can see the pictures in, okay, look at here, you can see the caterpillar, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z are the consonant words. Okay, so I'll tell you some examples. Like if we say F-A-N, fan, if we write F-A-N, fan, look at here. If I write F-A-N, fan. Okay, so F is our consonant word as well as N is our consonant word, whereas A is our vowel word, right? So this is the example of your vowels and consonant. Now move on to next, our exercise portion. Okay, E. Say these words aloud and note the short vowel sound. Add 2 more words to each column. That means short vowels. Short vowels means vowel sounds that are pronounced in a short form. For example, bug. Okay, if I say bug, because there is no longer use of U sound. Okay, so this is an example of short vowels. That means which sounds are shorter. Okay, look at here. There are the columns according to the vowel words like A, E, I, O, and U. Okay, here are some words already given like bat, cat, hat, mat, rat, sat. Okay, you just have to fill the remaining 2. Okay, you can add anything. Okay, but your letter should be A in the middle of your word. Okay, so similar way, E sound like bed, hen, jet, lit, pen, wave, and you have to fill the 2. Okay, I sound like fin, hit, lid, pin, lip, jeep. So remaining you have to fill next letter, that is O, cot, box, dot, hot, knot, rod. So remaining you have to do it by yourself. U word, U sound, CUP, cup, cub, hut, jug, sun, and tub. Okay, those remaining 2 you have to do it by yourself, right? So move on to next. Read these words aloud with your teacher and Note the long vowel sound and add two more words to each column. That means long vowels. Long vowel sounds which is a vowel sounds whose pronunciation is the same as its letter name. Okay, for example, if I say T-U-B-E tube, okay, if I say T-U-B-E tube, here U sounds is pronounced like Y-O-O-U. So this is an example of long vowel sound. Okay, so here are some double words like double E, double O, O-A, E-A. So you just have to read it out. Okay, first double E words. Okay, W-E-E-K, wick, ship, dip, sleep, whip, and one I have done. Okay, creep, and next one you have to do it by yourself. Like O word, double O words. Sorry, book, look, hook, took, cool, fool I have written. So next word you have to do it by yourself. OA words, coal, farm, boat, road, goat. Okay, goal I have written. So one word you have to do it by yourself. Next word EA word. Okay, bit, meat, cream, knit, said, dream I have written. So next word you have to write it by yourself. Okay, now move on to next. Z. Fill in the missing vowels in the given words. One has been done for you. Okay, so here are some missing letters like in a word like bed, bed. Okay, E is a missing word, but E is already written because one is already done for you, right? So next word, look at the next picture. This is a picture of cat, right? So C dash T. So you have to write A in the middle of C and T. Okay, so A is a vowel word, right? So you have to fill the vowel words between these letters, right, to make a word. Understood? Next word is next picture is dog. D dash G. That means you have to write O in the middle of D and G. Okay, similar way you have to do it all the blanks. Okay, now move on to next. Fill in the missing consonant in the given words. One has been done for you. Okay, before we had done vowels words. Okay, now you have to fill the consonant words, and that means there are 21 consonants, right? So you just have to fill the consonant words which comes in the blank. Look at here. First picture is C, a car. So you just have to write C in the front. You have to write capital C. Okay, C, AT is already there. Next word I have done for you, dash UT. That means you have to write capital H. Okay, HUT, hurt. So this is the way how you have to fill all the blanks, right? Now come to the next. Look at here. Draw lines to match the objects in A with those in B that begin with the same letter. Okay, there are two columns, column A and column E. You just have to match the pictures which start with the same letter, right? Look at here. First is moon. Okay, moon will, how we spell moon? M-O-O-N, moon. That means your first word is M. So look at the next side. Mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. That means mango will start with the letter M. Okay, and moon will start with the same letter M. So you just have to make a line or draw a line by joining moon and the mango. Okay, this is the way how you have to do the rest of the portion, right? Look at her. Okay, so this is the end of our first chapter. So here I solved all the exercises. You can take the help of this exercises. Okay, while you are doing your exercises, you can look at the exercises which I have already solved. Okay, you can take the help of this exercises. Okay, but please use pencils while you are writing in a book, okay, and do it very neatly and clean. Okay, thank you.